In regulated industries, precision isn't optional. Field service engineers rely on accurate, calibrated tools to meet strict quality and compliance requirements. Without a backup, jobs get delayed. SIMCO solves this with the Field Service C.A.R.E package, where a calibrated tool is already on hand, so work keeps moving. C.A.R.E stands for Calibrated Asset Readiness Exchange. It ensures engineers always have access to compliant, ready-to-use tools, wherever they are. Before a toolkit reaches its calibration deadline, SIMCO proactively ships a fully calibrated replacement. The engineer receives the new calibrated kit, inspects it, and reviews the calibration certificate. Then they place the old tools into the same case, apply the prepaid return label, and ship it back to SIMCO. When tools aren't ready, the impact goes beyond one job, and the ripple effect can halt operations. With calibration handled proactively, operations continue without interruption, and compliance is never in question. The result is higher asset uptime, guaranteed compliance, leaner inventory, and simplified logistics. SIMCO manages the complexity, so your field teams can focus on the job. Learn more about the Field Service C.A.R.E package.